Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's the beginning.
This is the beginning.
It's your man Maosky.
There's no ending.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah.
Every day in my life, I'ma keep it 100. I'm from the jungle, keeping it humble. I'm from the bottom, climbing to the top. Let y'all know, we shooting for the top. People be hating on me, but still be on my feet. No copy and paste, bro, I'ma do me. I'ma do it myself, I don't really need no help. Cause people be coming around, they'll try to pull you down. That's why I do it alone, I'll do it on my own. Get it on my way, bro, please listen, no. Get it in my way, bro, that's a no-go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Maosky is the name, ain't doing it for the fame. I'm staying in my lane, tryna get into the game. Tryna get the money, help everybody and support my family. Ain't trying to flex, no chain, no Rolex. All I'm tryna do, I'm tryna spit the fact. Make the money and never go back. Never go back. That's what you do.
Let's go.
Let's get the money and never go back.
Yes, sir.
And start with yourself.
Yeah.
You gotta be determined.
You got to be.
Cause one day you're gonna be telling yourself you earned it.
Yeah.
So grind hard and hustle up. Let's go.
All day.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Every day of my life, I'ma keep it 100. I'm from the jungle, keeping it humble. I'm from the bottom, climbing it up. As y'all know, we're shooting for the top.
We're shooting for the top. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
I'ma prove myself, I don't believe in no luck. All I believe are my blessings from God. He is my foundation, He is my background. I'ma keep rising up, there's no backing down. I'ma lead my people and all those who come around. I'ma keep representing, rapping for my town. I'ma rock it for my nation, gonna be a lot temptation. This is a new creation, be real, don't be faking it. Leave it or take it, I'ma remake it. Only the real, I take it. Only the real, I take it.
Let's go. This is the beginning, there is no ending. Let's go.
This is the beginning. And I'ma rock it. There's no ending.
Let's go. All the realists out there, I salute ya.